Okay, what we're going to do when we get started,
around the track.
hey, oh, sorry, what's the matter with you?
What's the matter for you?
I don't know nothing here. Okay, we're going to get started. Right now, the salad dressing thing is coming because we didn't make enough of them out of the machine apparently. But if you look at your basic light Italian, a lot of times when I'm doing one at home, I just put the dry ingredients in, put the olive oil on it, and then add the vinegar and stir it up, and it comes out pretty good. But in the case like this, we're going to make one. So Jim, you're the expert reader. What do we need here?
I didn't bring my reading glasses.
Oh, didn't you? Okay, first one is some nice fresh garlic. It's all minced up nicely. And then we're going to put a little bit of salt in there. Why do we do that? It brings out your flavor, and it also helps you grind it up a little bit. So we get all that nice and minced up. And then we are going to put in a little bit of mustard, little Dijon mustard.